Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Backup important files before changing account types or sign-in options. This prevents data loss if something goes wrong during the switch. Ensure you have administrator rights on the Windows 11 device before continuing. If you are not an admin, ask an administrator to sign in and grant rights. Confirm your Microsoft account password works before starting the process. You will need it to sign out or to switch account types during the procedure. Open Settings and navigate to Accounts, then to your info to change sign-in options. Choose Sign In with a local account on this page to begin the conversion. Enter your current Microsoft password when prompted to verify the change and continue. Create a local account name and assign a password or leave the password blank if Windows allows it. Complete the sign out and sign in process to activate the local account immediately on this device. Press Windows plus R, type NetBlue, and press Enter to open Advanced User Settings. In NetBlue, uncheck users must enter a username and password and then click Apply. Enter the account name and leave the password blank if you want automatic sign-in for that account. Next, open Settings, Accounts, Sign-in Options, and set Require Sign-in after sleep to Never. Consider enabling a PIN or Windows Hello for faster but secure access on this device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.